Welcome to Financial Bridge. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of financial wisdom that affluent individuals pass down to their children. These 6 powerful principles are often overlooked by others, but can play a crucial role in securing a prosperous future. But before we jump in, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our valuable content. Now, let's get started. 1. The importance of money. Imagine a world where money isn't just paper or coins, but a key to unlocking countless opportunities. This is precisely how wealthy parents perceive money, and it's the first crucial lesson they teach their children. Every self-made millionaire knows that money is more than a means to an end. It's a vital tool that can significantly enhance one's quality of life. Rich parents emphasize the importance of money from an early age, instilling in their children the understanding that money equates to freedom. It's not about fostering greed, but about recognizing that money can expand choices and reduce stress. They teach that money can open doors to better education, healthier lifestyles, and the ability to support loved ones and causes they care about. In contrast, parents from less affluent backgrounds often shy away from money discussions, sometimes even downplaying its significance, which can leave their children ill-prepared to navigate a world where financial literacy is crucial. 2. Understanding assets and liabilities. One of the most fundamental lessons in achieving financial independence is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. This might sound simple, but it's a concept that wealthy parents drill into their children from a young age. For example, owning rental properties, stocks, or a business that generates income are all assets. These are investments that provide a steady stream of income over time. On the other hand, liabilities are expenses like a mortgage on a primary residence, a car loan, or credit card debt. Wealthy parents teach their children to accumulate assets and avoid liabilities, helping them to build a financial foundation that grows over time. Imagine 2 individuals with identical salaries. The first spends their income on bills, luxuries, and indulgences, gradually accumulating debt. The second saves a portion of their income and invests it in assets. Over time, the second individual's wealth grows, while the first remains financially stagnant. This stark difference illustrates the power of wise financial habits, which rich parents emphasize from the start. 3. Money management skills. Another critical lesson wealthy parents impart is the skill of managing money. They involve their children in family financial planning, giving them hands-on experience in reviewing financial statements, creating budgets, and understanding the cost of living. This practical education equips children with the tools they need to manage their finances effectively as they grow older. For instance, some families have monthly meetings where they discuss the household budget, allowing children to see firsthand how money is allocated for various expenses. This demystifies the concept of money management and makes it a normal part of life. In contrast, many parents with limited financial means rarely discuss finances with their children, often because they associate money with stress and anxiety. This lack of communication can lead to poor financial habits in adulthood. Wealthy parents, however, aim to cultivate a positive attitude towards money management, showing their children that it's not only necessary but also empowering. 4. Diverse income streams. Wealthy parents also teach their children about the various ways to earn money. They encourage them to explore traditional jobs, not just for the income but for the invaluable lessons in responsibility and work ethic. For instance, Malia Obama worked a customer service job, despite her family's wealth, to gain real-world experience. There are several ways to earn money: exchanging time for money through a job or freelancing, creating systems that generate passive income, or investing in assets that grow in value. Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant explains these methods, emphasizing the importance of understanding different income streams. By teaching their children about these diverse avenues, wealthy parents provide them with the flexibility to explore multiple paths to financial success. On the other hand, many less affluent parents might only focus on the traditional job route, limiting their children's understanding of other potential income sources. 5. Earning success. Wealth is often built on the back of relentless hard work and perseverance, a truth that self-made millionaires know all too well. This understanding forms a cornerstone of the lessons wealthy parents impart to their children. They teach that success must be earned through effort and persistence, not simply inherited. Take, for example, billionaires like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, who have publicly stated their intentions to leave their children only a fraction of their wealth. Gates has famously said, "They have to find their own way." This philosophy instills the value of self-reliance and industriousness, ensuring that children understand the importance of carving their own paths. By emphasizing the importance of earning success, wealthy parents prevent the sense of entitlement that can sometimes accompany privilege. They encourage their children to set goals, work diligently towards them, and understand that setbacks are just stepping stones to greater achievements. 6. Abundance mindset. A defining trait of the wealthy is their abundance mindset, the belief that opportunities for wealth are limitless. This mindset contrasts sharply with the scarcity mentality, which sees resources as finite and opportunities as rare. Rich parents instill in their children the idea that the world is full of possibilities, and that they have the power to create wealth through innovative thinking and perseverance. This abundance mindset shapes how they approach financial decisions. Instead of focusing solely on cutting costs and saving money, they prioritize expanding their income streams. They understand that increasing revenue is just as important as managing expenses. This perspective encourages a proactive approach to finances, where children learn to seek out and seize opportunities. For example, an entrepreneur with an abundance mindset will invest in growth opportunities, knowing that the potential returns outweigh the risks. They see the value in networking, education, and continuous learning, recognizing that these investments will pay off in the long run. This mindset is about seeing potential where others see limitations, and it's a crucial lesson that wealthy parents pass down to their children. Conclusion. And that's a wrap for today's video. We hope you found these insights into the financial principles taught by wealthy parents both informative and inspiring. Understanding these principles can open up new possibilities for financial freedom and success. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Financial Bridge and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.